Welcome everyone. You may be wondering, how do I charge Google Pixel 6a? Of course, your Pixel, right? So you're going to look at the box here, and in the box you should have a USB-C to USB-C cable. So if you want to spend absolutely no money, okay, to charge, you insert one end into the Pixel 6a, and then the other end you want to insert either into a laptop with USB-C or a PC with USB-C. The charging speeds will be quite slow, and you may not even have a laptop or computer with USB-C port. So then what you would have to do is buy a USB-C charging brick. Okay, Google sells this, Amazon sells this. It doesn't really matter which one you have, okay, as long as you have a brick which allows you to insert USB-C into the brick and then the brick into the wall, then that will have the fastest charging speeds for Google Pixel 6a. If you're wondering why on earth do these companies not have a brick in, well, the box, because you want to charge, the simple reason is Google just followed what Apple did. Apple just removed the charging port to save the environment, even though they're not really doing that, are they? So that just means that there's less stuff in the box, so they get more money, and that's really all there is to it. So if you don't have a charging brick, you will need to buy one. Just use a laptop for now. And with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.